Guys, so there is some technical issues going on and we are trying to figure out, and I have no clue. See, छोटी छोटी बातें नहीं, क्या बड़े बड़े शहरों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है. सो राइट नाउ हैपेंस, डोंट वरी, विल फिगर आउट, डोंट वरी. हम लोग आपका बेस्ट यूज़ करेंगे वंस यू स्टिक हियर. हाय विद्या, हाय नीता, हाय पूनम. सो Gemini, I'm trying to invite you again on my call. Let's see, let's hope for the best. Fingers crossed. There are so many people who wants to be online with us, but I'm not sure what's happening. I am sending you an invite. Gemini, try sending me yours. I mean something. Hi Poonam, hi, how are you? How are you all doing? I can see Havana Jack also joining us online. Today we were planning to talk about relationship, finances, but there's a technical glitch. I'm not able to bring the lady online. Hi Rita Shah, how are you been doing? Okay, Gemini, you have accepted it, but we can't see you. Hi Usha. Hi Mustafa, how are you been doing? Cool, this is a nice try, Gemini. Try accepting it. I think this time we should be able to do it. Please accept and let's see how things. Hello guys, how are you all been doing? I can see 13 people online. Hi Harshal, hi Namrata. Hi Usha, how are you? Thanks Rita. We're trying to get Gemini since last 10 minutes and things are not working. होता है सब ladies, the technical issues comes in. Hi Satnamdi, how are you? How are you been doing? Okay, so we can see you're connecting finally. This is so good. Okay, I can't listen. Gemini, connect your headphones. Can't hear you. Gemini. Can't hear you. Just please connect your headphones or something. Hi Yashani. Hi Mia Thakkar. Rita Shah. Gemini? I can't hear you. Headphones? आवाज नहीं आ रहा. So we'll try talking dumb Shiraz. Okay. I can't read your lips, but please help me. Great. Hi Dipti Amlani. Hi Harish Goyal. Hi Pinky Di. How are you all? Hi
Hi
Piyush,
Piyush,
Juju,
Jules,
Janmatri.
Janmasri.
How are you
How are
all?
you all?
How's your
How's
Saturday
your
night
Saturday night
going?
going?
So
So
meanwhile,
meanwhile,
Gemini
Gemini
figures
figures
out
out
the
the
audio.
audio.
Okay, yes,
Okay,
one
yes,
second. I
one
could
second. I
sense
could
that.
sense that.
Whoa, that's a
Whoa,
big
that's a big
headphone.
headphone.
Okay, this I think is much better.
Can you hear me?
Absolutely, we are on board
Man,
perfectly, Gemini.
so these are gaming headphones, and now you can hear me, and I can hear you deep inside, and awesome.
Great.
So let's go. I feel like a radio jockey. Okay, and
You look like one
okay.
too with that.
Oops.
How are you? How are you? So finally we could set up
So
things.
this is a go-getter attitude. We got in and we didn't give up. So Ruchi, a little bit
Yes.
behind. I can see your frame getting cut. So go behind little bit.
Okay. Can you
You're
see me now
no.
completely?
You need to raise the camera because your face is getting cut in the lower part. Yeah, now perfect. So I'm ready to go. Start with your questions
Great.
and let's welcome everybody who has joined us. They've been so patient with us, and
Yes,
that's tech.
actually, well,
So I learned something new today, how to do troubleshooting, and thank you, Ruchi. First of all, congratulations. I love your energy, and I can see
thank
Jeet in the
you.
background. Jeet, say hi to
You
all the audience.
say
After
hi.
all,
He's the man behind this live going live
and
to
and
make it
at the
happen.
and at the mirror at the back, I can see what you
Okay.
guys are doing.
Okay,
No,
I'll tell him to move out. Don't worry, because there is big time. Okay, so okay, he's going out.
super.
Great. Uh, I just want to welcome you all. A very warm welcome tonight. Is Saturday night. It has to be exciting, and we both promise that we will make an exciting Saturday night for all of you who are viewing our live.
True.
Now, something about me. I am Ruchi Hirani, mother to this amazing daughter, wife to superhuman, a lot foodie, a little crazy, strong believer, choreographer turned homemaker turned author, and now a couple clarity expert, creator and curator of happily ever after lifestyle. My mission is
Amazing.
to help millions of newlywed couples to design the first 5 years of the marriage in a way that they can overcome all the negative emotion, transform themselves into a power couple, and then design their happily ever after life. Friends, and that journey is all. Talking about Gemini, I would give a little idea about who Gemini is. She's a take charge expert, and she helps women entrepreneurs to take charge of their life, of their finances, and empower the world they are living into. And to know more about it, Gemini, please take the call and let us. What do you exactly do, and what is take charge expert? What do you actually ask people to do?
So before I get into what I do and what's my passion and vision about, I want to thank you, Ruchi, and I want to congratulate you that after 6 trials you didn't give up. And that's a
Thank you.
go-getter attitude, that technology cannot defeat us. We will defeat anything that comes in our way because you're so passionate
True.
about going live. And
True.
we've got some amazing people who've joined in. Khushbu has joined in, Rita has joined in, and a lot more people. So welcome everybody on board. And oh wow, Malika has joined. Malika is a very close friend of mine who knows in and out my blood group, everything about me. She
So hi
knows.
Malika, this is Ruchi
And
here.
okay, so I am Gemini Dhar. I'm a Take Charge expert and author. I'm to the youngest coach in the world, with certified with Mr. Afin Khan, and I've been a fashion designer for 3 decades, and I am a single woman. Yes, I am divorced, and you must be wondering what is Gemini doing here with a couple clarity coach, and what is this all about? So I work with women and teenagers. I work with women entrepreneurs and women who are going through challenges in business or in personal life, and I work on their mindsets, I work on their power beliefs, and then I give them strategies of growth. And I've been coaching a lot of women entrepreneurs to 5x their growth in terms of business, if they want personal growth. So you name it, and we know it, but we don't do anything in life unless we apply something. So I make sure
True.
that whatever you've learned you apply. So Ruchi, as you know, I make women financially strong. My passion is that women should be financially strong, and
Very true.
when you give them strategies and when you handhold them to become financially strong, they can make any decision they want. So they are not forced to live a life that they don't like. They're not forced to be in a relationship. They are not forced to continue their life where there
Yes.
is abuse and where there is pain or where they're not
True.
happy.
And the
Everything's
relationship should naturally flow. It should be
so.
more or based with the emotions and not because of the compulsion of being dependent on somebody because they are financially not independent.
And
So
I
that's a very
believe
nice point.
and I believe that everything said and done, whatever happens in our life, we need to take charge and we need to take responsibility, whether it is good or bad. So, Ruchi, I leave the forum open for you to ask questions. You had your audience ask you a lot of questions, and we were brainstorming on the phone.
Great. So, audience, this is there are some couple of questions that I will be asking Gemini. But if you guys have questions right away in between the conversation, drop in your questions and we will cover all the possible topics related to finances and take charge of your life. That is more what we want to talk about. So,
Yes.
Gemini, my first thought when I decided to have a conversation with you was that we both are poles apart. I am happily married and you are happily divorced. Happiness is the constant factor because we both have learned over life that after all, it's the happiness and the content that we need to survive with. We cannot crib and we cannot have the negativity around us. That is impossible to survive with. So, how do you see every relation starts with a good factor? Nobody thinks कि चलो हमें abusive relation चालू करना है, चलो मजा करेंगे, मारपीट करेंगे. Nobody thinks. Everybody wants emotions, love, pamper, care, everything. But it goes 6 months into the marriage and it starts getting challenges comes in. So Gemini, my first question to you today is what is that point or what is that a moment where you need to think that this relationship is getting a little more toxic than it should be? See, every relation has pros and cons. It's a side of a coin. But then there is a like a point where after beyond that a woman or a man should not stay or should not continue staying in that relationship. So please tell our viewers that what is that one point where you understand that this relationship is going toxic or is still going okay? Please.
So, I believe that when you look at your life partner and he looks back at you or she looks back at you, do you feel loved? Do you feel understood? Yeah. Do you feel that that person respects you? Okay, so
Right.
women have very few simple things that they need, which is very contra to what men need. And I think a woman needs understanding. They want to know they are cared for. They want to know they are
Mm-hmm.
respected. Of course, love is part of every relationship, mother, daughter, mother, son, brother, father, anybody. So, love is a core of any relationship. But when you look at your partner, do you feel those things? And
Hmm.
most of the times you don't feel that when you yourself are going through something. So I was going
Right.
through anger issues, I was going through health issues, I was going through stress, anxiety. There were so many things that were there in the background which I could not see, which
Hmm.
were making me behave in a particular way, and that was making him behave in a particular way. I could not
Okay.
see it because I not aware. Okay, so I believe that you need to decide your own breaking factor. It's
Okay.
very easy to break a relationship and it is very
Yes.
difficult to mend it. So are you going to be able to forgive the person, or have you done something that you can forgive yourself in that relationship? So there are a lot of factors. It's about your self-worth. How
Right.
valuable or how much value do you give to yourself? If you respect yourself, if you love yourself, you will not let abuse happen. You will not
Right.
give in to dishonesty. So you will not see a one fight or a one squabble in a couple of years defining factor of moving out. Some people would move out, but when there are a
Hmm.
lot of factors involved, like children, old parents. So I have a lot of women who are not financially strong, and they are accepting abuse. They are accepting their husband being unfaithful. They are accepting a lot of horrible things because they have old parents, and they don't want the old parents to get the trauma and the shock that, meri beti or my daughter is coming back, or
Hmm.
my daughter's life is finished. I was very scared because I have a mother who's very old, and she was in her very difficult times, and I thought, why not pull this relationship for 5 years more? Maybe my mother will pass away, or my mother is too old, and let me give her that comfort that my daughters and my children are happy.
Hmm. Hmm.
And then I stood up in front of the mirror and I said, is this the life I'm going to be living? And will I respect myself after I. And every time I thought about it, it was not an overnight decision. I gave it hours, and you can say buckets of tears before I made that choice. But I did make a choice, and today I am happily divorced. Not that divorce is something wonderful. It is
True.
how you treat yourself. So today, when I stand in front of the mirror, I am proud. I am awesome. I feel great. Why? Because I didn't bow down to something that was demeaning for me. So rather than
Right.
pulling a dead body or a broken or a cancerous
Yes.
part in your body, it's better either to heal it or cut it off. So
Cut it off.
if you have people like you in my life, I mean, if I had you in my life that time, and I knew about coaching and I knew about things, my situation would have not gone to a level that it went. But
True.
somewhere there was a disconnection, and I moved apart, he moved apart, and then things went wrong.
Right.
So I believe that your finances have a very strong hold on you, visibly
Yes.
or invisibly. And most of the women are suffering because they don't know whether they will get bread and butter when they move out of their house. How will they nurture their children? What will happen? Or even if they are alone, they are very scared to stay alone because they're used to company. They have the
Right.
family,
Right.
they
Right.
have the environment. They don't want to leave.
Yes. Yes. They
So
have
I
that
see.
feeling of belonging that somebody is there for them.
So it is an
Very true.
individual's choice to say quit, but when there is abuse, sooner or later you make to me. I know women who've been in abusive relationship for years, and
Yes.
now that their children are married and settled, they don't know where to go because they are left with the same husband. And with the lockdown, it's been really terrible for people to spend time. So looking at
Very
the gray
true.
part of it, it's horrible. And
Very
looking
true.
at
Very true.
looking at the happy part of relationship, it can be beautiful. I mean, I had a lovely relationship for 12 years. It was
Oh,
superb. But something went wrong. Like I said, you never know. You're not aware. Like we nurture our business, like we invest in properties, we don't invest in relationships. A lot of us make that mistake.
great. So you were talking about that you had anger issues. You had little trouble with anger, and because of which you were behaving in a certain manner. And because of that action, your husband were reacting in certain manner. So now this thing you weren't aware that time. And that is exactly what is happening with couples even today. See, the kind of struggle that there is there in the marriage is true, but doing that how you are changing as a person and accepting that what is the problem and talking about it only will heal you and kind of mend your marriage. Otherwise, I think all the situation will be like divorces. Of course, in India is not considered an option because of the reasons you mentioned, but unhappy marriage, and when you will die you will have the feeling yaar kuch nahi kiya life mein ya kuch kiya hota to life mein. So it's very important that you, if you have even the slightest prick, and abuse is not always physical, Gemini, that is what I believe. Even a negative comment or even a taunt by either of the you at the level which stays there in your heart. एक मतलब बोलते हैं ना लोग हमेशा पुरानी बातें याद रखते हैं, स्पेशली द फीमेल्स. हाँ, तुम्हें तो 1970 की बात याद होगी. दिस कम्स आउट. व्हाई डज इट कम आउट? बिकॉज दैट स्क्रैच you have only created on our heart and we never speak about it, and that kind of abuse is the worst abuse. Even physical mara khatam, I will consider it gone, but that pain remains. So for me it's healing that and there by acceptance. Whatever it is, accept and have clarity in your relationship. That is my mission to all the couples out there. I want to just give this message n number of times that if there's a problem, find it, solve it. And that is how it works. What do you think?
But you know what? Unfortunately, people don't know how to do it. They know there is a problem, but they are not able to. Also, when familiarity is there, the people don't take each other seriously, it becomes routine. So, a face
Routine.
that was very beautiful and very attractive at some particular time, you keep on looking at it every day. There comes a time that the charm is lost. Not because the
Yes.
person is less valuable, but you found other, or you become routine to it. So adventure, variety in your own relationships is not cultivated knowingly. It happens in some couples' life. In some couples' life, it is ignorant. Abhi ghar ki murli dal
Huh.
barabar kind of a thing.
Is what
Happens.
also I take it in my topic. It's called growth mindset versus fixed mindset. In India, they have everybody has a concept. अगर वो मेरे लिए बनी होगी तो वो मेरी होगी वरना वो नहीं होगी. अरे ऐसे नहीं होता है. Nobody is made for each other. If you are like married or you are in a relationship, you have to work. You have to invest your time, energy, your entire focus, and then make it work. So yes, that is there that people do not know all this, but that is what we coaches are here for. We will make it happen, right?
So I'll a girl. I knew a couple, and very cute, adorable couple, and I really nurtured this kind of couples because I myself am a very romantic and a very people's person. So I don't want to live alone, or I don't like. But then my self-respect is also a part of thing which is more important for me. And gradually now I
True.
made lovely relationships. So these two people were going to difficult time. Women is earning
Mm-hmm.
more, guy is not
Mm-hmm.
having a stable job, and gradually they are created a lower self confidence in the guy, and a little bit of super confident girl. She was chirpy, she was herself, but it was seen in another way. Gradually the differences increased, and there came a time then she said ki, I want a divorce, I don't want to live with this man. And I knew them both, and I had lot of understanding about human behavior. And I told her, you can divorce anytime, tomorrow, day after, 6 months, a year. There is no abuse, there is no disrespect, there is just difference of stage, where you stand.
Yes.
There is
Yes.
also difference of perception, because you are going through a good time in life, you are enjoying life, he's going through a bad time in life, he's struggling, right?
Hmm.
So the balance was not there, and I asked them to hold on. I said, work on these five things, make sure that you give him more support, more value, more understanding. I'm already doing everything for him. I said, no,
Hmm.
it has to be on a different perception. And they
Right.
started working on each other. I had a conversation with him separately, with her separately. And during the lockdown, they bonded so well that she sent me a message ki gratitude. There were so many people who said you should move out of this relationship. I have friends and family advising me to move out of the relationship because he's good for nothing. But today he's giving me love, respect, he's earning well, he's doing well, and the whole scene has changed. Within a time
Right.
span of 4 months, they are the best couple together. I get thank you
Wow.
messages, gratitude messages, and they've taken their relationship. So, like, you have couple
Awesome.
clarity tool you were talking to me about,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
There has to be and the wife has to work towards fulfilling the man's goal, and the man has to work towards, because relationship is
Fulfilling
all
that.
about
It
giving.
works.
So you mentioned
True.
we like this, we like that, and he said this to me, he said that to me. But you know what, somewhere along the line, if somebody will come and tell you you are the most gorgeous person on earth, and you are like Princess Diana, or you are the Queen of England, you look, it kya hai, something fishy. Maybe this guy has
Right.
some ulterior motive, that's why they are praising me. You will not accept it. But if somebody will
Right.
come and tell you you're stupid, you're idiot, you're foolish, you don't know anything, you will immediately take it. Why? I mean, a compliment is fishy, and a criticism is true. it
True.
it has a
Very true.
it has a lot to do with your self-worth. It has a
Very
lot,
true.
So when your mother-in-law, or your father-in-law, your sister-in-law, or somebody from your in-laws will say something to you, it's like a red signal. And when something
Yeah.
your mother or your brother or your sister tells you, it's like, जाने देना वो पागल है, वो तो बोलता रहता है. So
Mm-hmm.
huge, the mindset, the
The
conditioning is
my
really,
is Really. And today only I have written a blog about the third wheel of the relationship. Meaning was that only that whenever there is a problem between the couples, it
Yeah,
is very, very important that you kind of talk it out between yourself.
right, right.
Then, including any other third person, see, I don't mean to that you don't talk to your friends, you don't talk to your mother, father, etc. But they will give opinions that you want to hear. And they will make you feel good about it because you are playing the victim role. They do not know the other part of the story, and they do not know how your intensity is when you are behaving with the partner. The moment you speak to somebody else, you will get into a victim role and speak in a different tone altogether. So
100%.
that is the reason I wrote a very long blog post regarding the same thing, that do not include any third wheel into the relationship. That will kind of have a misbalance, because then you have your subconscious, grabbing. हाँ वो तो कुछ, like you said in your couple, the she only mentioned that a lot of her friends and family were telling usko chhod de, he's good for nothing. This exactly happens. If you felt that वो कुछ काम का नहीं है, तो you shouldn't have got into that place already. You know that he is different, and that is the reason you chose him. He was one to be getting selected out of all the other options you have in the world. That means he is worth it. It's right now the momentary things that are not working out for him. So it's incredible that you guys work out, and that is the reason having clarity reduce of conflicts and divorces in the first 5 years of the marriage. You set your expectations in align with you and your partner. Do
So,
not have aligned, no, disaligned kind of stuff.
so Ruchi, I want to say this because I've been through it. If you have the money, or even if you don't have the money, and you are investing in a diamond or a gold necklace, I would say go and do a communication course, go and do some
True.
clarity tools, invest in learning more how to communicate, because it's going to help you in your business, it's going to help you in your
Right.
personal life, and it is going to solve a lot of issues. Because I know a lot of women entrepreneurs that I coach, and they are stuck with sales, they are stuck with their business, they are stuck with ideas, or they're just too broken down in life to do anything. And I always say that your personal challenges become your professional blocks. So if you had a fight at home and you go to work, you're carrying it with you there, and that's going to
Right.
damage you in so many ways that you can't even
Right.
imagine. So I had a
True.
fallout in my business, I had a fallout in my relationship, and everything shattered. Why? Because there were personal challenges in my life, there were health
Right.
challenges, there were emotional challenges which I was not aware of.
Hmm.
And when I wrote my first book, Ruchi, 9 Ways to Empower, that was the time I was out of my house. I had left my house in anger. I was living in a rented apartment, and I had a deadline to meet, and I was sobbing when I was writing those 9 ways to empower. And I realized that there are so many small, small things that you as a woman can empower yourself with, that can completely change, that can
Very
completely
true.
change your outcomes. Unfortunately,
True.
I got wisdom, or I learned after the ashes were in my hand. My relationship was in ashes. Okay, I could have gone back, but he didn't want me back. I tried my best to patch up. I was ready to be a doormat, to be honest. I was ready to be a doormat because I had two children, and I didn't want to see my children not have the luxury, not be in the same house, not have a family,
Wow.
not have grandparents. I didn't want that. And I was
Hmm.
so worried that my children will be damaged. But when I went into my discovery and everything, I realized I'm going to be a bitter person, I'm going to be an unhappy person, I'm going to be an insecure person, and that's going to rub on to my children, because children don't do what you tell them to. They see. Today my son is an entrepreneur at the age of 14 and a coach, and he's coaching a 11-year-old because his mission is to, he has a mission. I didn't have a mission, I just had dreams when I was young. So he has a mission
True.
where he's planning, and he's earned little bit of money. He's called one of my friend and said, you teach me how to invest, I'm going to invest my 5-10K what I've earned, and I'm going to build an empire. I said, meko to ye kuch pata. I mean, I was a kid who
True.
didn't know
True.
anything. So
Very true.
what?
I want to just, I'm sorry to interrupt, but you are very courageous, firstly. And whatever you did took a lot of strength. I can feel that from the way you are putting it out. I could feel the struggle. I could feel. I could literally actually imagine everything right in front of my eyes. What must you have gone through? But too good, girl. I mean, I'm very, very proud of you. I have such people in my network whom I can look up to and get courageous and be strong as much as I want to. Thanks
So,
for
so
always
Ruchi,
inspiring all of us.
every time somebody praises me or every time somebody says that I've done a great job, I have one man to be grateful to. And that man is my mentor, Afeen Khan. Because if that
Yes.
person's room I had not gone and I had not gone into my self discovery, building my beliefs, building things, I would have been a dead person today because I would have given up. I thought of 100 horrible things that I could do, but I stood strong and I took charge and
Right.
the fire, the strength, the path was shown by that man called Afeen Khan, and he's transformed billions of life, and you yourself know him, you know. But what I believe
I
is, I give.
would I got through the same feeling, Gemini. I would have been broken just like you. I would have got in the part of divorce. I also tried committing suicide, and because of Arfin Khan, I got to know that there was so wrong coding in my head and even aware about. That's the most shocking part because they were always there subconsciously, and it was feeded by the society and all the Ekta Kapoor serials. I hate it everything right now because we don't
So,
realize when we grow up watching all this, everything is there in our subconscious. And because of Arfin Khan, I really you pulled out this point, and
so
I also don't want to miss an opportunity.
So, in one of his seminars, he said that there is always, we are all brought up thinking about fairy tale stories, happily ever
Right,
after, and the
right,
Prince Charming. But he said in those
yeah,
stories also, there is a villain, there is a witch, there is a difficult
which
time that goes through, and it is a hero's journey. So I
right.
mean, some small stories have been so deeply engraved in my mindset that I believe that if I can help, so my vision is to help 50,000 women entrepreneurs grow through my Take Charge 5X formula, become in charge, become financially strong, and legacy so that they can make great decisions. So, in a
Right,
relationship, majburi nahi hai. You are not forced into a relationship. You made a
hmm,
choice to marry that man or woman, right?
right,
You are
right.
into that relationship. Somewhere along the line, something is not going right, either in business or in personal life, or there are too many people who are giving you ideas and opinions, and which the environment is creating that poison in your relationship. So
Right.
I heard somebody that you should not drink poison just because you're thirsty. I just heard
True.
somebody say, I don't remember, on Instagram. The person said you should not drink poison just because you're
Just
thirsty.
because you're thirsty. Very true.
Yeah, so this is about relationship also. Don't let it poison your life just because you need a a life partner, or you need somebody to go to. If you make good choices and you build and nurture something, it will not break. I did not nurture my relationship knowingly, unknowingly. That's why I am happily divorced and I have no complaints.
True.
Looking
Because that
back,
was
I
a
have no
conscious
complaints.
choice.
That was a
Yeah, that
conscious
was a
choice I made.
conscious choice. Yes.
Rest.
And those who want to stay in your life 10x happy. I mean, there are ways we have developed tools. I have personally developed so many systems that can give you the dream romantic marriage life that you always have dreamt about. So
So,
now,
Ruchi,
guys, just a minute. So, guys, we
yeah.
are still taking questions. I have two more questions in my list. So, basically, I have a list of the questions ready. So, I have few questions left, but you also can. So many women are there. So, whatever questions you have related to finances, related to your life, you can always ask, and we'll let Gemini answer the questions. Or if there are some questions for me as well, please go and shoot.
So, a lot of people watching, why don't you take their names and welcome them? Because I have to wear my chashma and go. You can go ahead and just welcome them
So
and see if
basically,
there are any.
while talking to you, I've been waving them. I'm waving all of them. There's an option of wave. So while talking to you, I didn't want to interrupt, and so I you new joiners. I have a lot of people to welcome. So I'll be starting with Kavita, Ritusha, Dhaval, Hiral, Kiran Dodia, Kushang Desai, Pooja Thakkar, Bhumi Malde, Neelu Juneja. Neelu has been quite active. She has been quite responsive. She's sending a true message, a thumbs up. Thank you, Neelu, for being such a sport. and you've been very supportive as well. So drop in questions if you have. Saurabh Agarwal, Bhavesh, Ruchi Kumar, Sheetal, Gemini, I think we have a question for you. Is making me think I attended your seminar. I could connect. Okay, so we have a compliment from Sheetal. Gemini, this is
Thank you.
making me think of the day I attended your seminar. I could so much connect to your take charge. I did that. Wow, wonderful.
Amazing.
Rajendra, hi guys. Well, thank you so much for being online with us. Make the best use of Gemini because she is always so much busy, and I actually had to convince her to come online for all my audience out there because I know women need one that वो एक लाठी चाहिए, that one person to take you from that point to B point. So, okay, I have
Super.
a next question for you, Gemini. If we are all set, okay, we don't have questions shooting up. So, the person asked is how can a female manage her finances when she is into a in-law setup? So her in-laws are not basically, I'll just tell you a quick story. Her in-laws are not allowing her to save money for herself, and then she has to give all the money to either the in-laws or to the husband. So how she can manage her own finances when it's not allowed in her setup, in-law setup? So how can she do
So,
that?
I would like to ask you a question. Allowed and what is not allowed?
So basically,
Something,
it's
no,
like everybody has to.
I
Okay,
know, I
okay,
know.
okay,
What I'm saying is,
okay.
कि what is allowed and what is not allowed is your life. You need to take
Right.
charge. Okay. Now, I always, at the end of my seminar, I do this. I said, this is your hand, raise your hand. Okay. This hand is loose. Ruchi, can you do this with me? This hand is loose. Yeah. So it is like
Guys,
that. Okay.
do it. So we are doing something
Okay.
with
So
Geminis.
this is
Okay.
your hand, this loose, and it's just happening, and I'm doing it like this, it's happening. Okay. Now, when I put force in this hand and put it into a mutti and make it strong, do you feel strength? Do you feel strong?
Yes, I feel.
You feel,
Guys, do
I
you feel
am
strong?
strong. It's just a
I
hand,
am strong.
right? So that power was there in you didn't use it.
Yes.
Right? So
Yes.
if somebody will come and try to rape you or somebody try to come and cut your throat, are you going to do this hand or this hand?
This hand.
Right? So you should know where people are binding you and where people are not binding you. So there has to be belief system in their family that women should not have their own money, because when women will have their money, they will become empowered, they will become strong, they will leave the family, etc., etc. So they are trying to put you in a cage.
Hmm.
Having no financial money is like being in a cage. A bird is there, they can fly, but you put it into a cage and you put the lock because you don't want
Hmm.
the bird to go away. Then you feed the bird, you love the bird, you keep the bird, but the freedom is not there. So the
Hmm.
bird is bonded laborer for life. I know a lot of women who have no money and their husbands and their in-laws or sometimes their parents coming from a traditional family don't want them to work. They say you work
Right.
for your husband or you work for your in-laws, make them happy, ek achhi bahu bano, that's all we want. We will provide
Right.
you with food, we will provide you with comfort. So when somebody is binding you, either there is a belief system traditional which they have implied on you, and they, for that particular belief system, they don't want you to go out. But when you
Right.
will assure them that I am there for you for life, if you let me grow, I will be of more use and support to you, why would
Very
that
true.
man not let her do it?
Right. Right.
So
Right.
there is one way that you rebel and do it, and there is
Hmm.
another way that you work on their significance, their needs, you understand them, you nurture them. That's why I said it's worth to do a communication course, because sometimes women assume मुझे तो ये allow
Hmm.
करेगा ही नहीं, ये तो मेरे घर में
Right.
चलेगा ही नहीं, my mother-in-law will never say yes, my husband तो will get angry. But when you actually go and have two people converse, it's another story. Sometimes you don't
Right.
want to take charge or you don't want to take action. That's why you make other people as your scapegoats.
Very true, very true. And I think that's a very nice point. And even in my system, I have this communication pattern. Only I'll take it one. Always speak from I am okay, you are okay perspective.
Yes.
You generally women speak I am okay, you are not okay perspective, but there is the switch, and it takes empathy to talk in I am okay, you are okay perspective. And that's very true that you have pointed this. I think she is online with us right now, and she must have got the message. I don't want to call out names, but
Sure.
definitely she is with us, and she might have got her answer. And if you have any other questions, please drop in. Gemini will help you sort
I
your belief system.
I want to share one more thing, which is a story which I shared with somebody who took my interview for a book, one of our colleagues only. So I told her ki when a house is on fire, you love your house, you want to be in your house, you won't let anything happen to your house, you'll do insurance, you will paint, you will color. But when that house is on fire, will you sit inside and hold it, or will you run out for your life?
Will run out for life.
So when you want something and when something becomes really, really dire and you really have to take charge, you will take choice that
Right.
your little one. So either you have a choice that you take charge when things are not worse, or otherwise you will be forced to run out of a burning house and left with nothing.
Very true, very true. But
So
then there's
you,
always a fear, Gemini, in women's heart, that if they don't talk, they feel suppressed, of course. But if they talk, they'll be considered rebellious. So how to kind of have a, this is a very thin line. Generally, आर्गुमेंट करती है या मुंह पे बोलती है या मुंहफट है etc etc, there is a setup which, see,
I
not
think,
every woman is that much courageous herself. How thin line and also avoid others to think wrong about herself. Others means I'm not talking about the entire society. Forget them. I'm talking about the inner circle, the very inner circle: mom, dad, mother-in-law, father-in-law, husband, or kids. Let's take it that much. So
so
how do you cover that thin line?
so you have probably, gone into my head and in my past and you described me. I have been rebellious all my life. I stood up, I spoke, but I spoke out of anger. I am okay, you are not okay.
Yes.
That was the defining factor that things went wrong. Self, like I said, communication is important and I work on personal influence. So I
Hmm.
have now created tools and strategies that I give women, so that the other person's requirements and needs are not impacted in a way. So when you will say shut up and sit down, the other person will say you go to hell. But when you will say, can you please sit down, I have something important to share, and will you please,
Yes.
isn't that the
Then the
same
person
thing?
will. Same thing
So
with, but with the
so
perspective of I am okay, you are okay.
so every person has a way to respond, and every person has a way to react. So being in
Right.
touch with your partner, because I see you and Jeet, I see a lot of understanding. I'm not saying you may
Yes.
not be having arguments. You must be thinking left, he may be thinking right. There may family when he is not able to take your side and he has to take nobody's side, not mother's, not your side. And that is the time you have to be understanding and explaining to him in a way that he can respond and not
Yes.
react.
Yes.
So it's a
Yes.
lot of nurturing, like a plant. You nurture it, it
Yes.
grows, and then it gives you fruits, right? And specifically
Very
with
true.
children in the picture, you are very hard pressed with time and energy and stress when small children are there. And all the time you are hoping that he will look after it, she will look after it, he, she. So that is
Yeah,
the
happens.
time expectations are broken, and the way you instruct, you can say, Jeet,
Yes.
I've been on my feet for morning, my back is hurt and I'm not feeling well, I would like to have a 10-minute break. Would you look after him for a 10-minute? Or he will come into the house and you'll say, can't you take care of him for 10 minutes? I am dying, I am fed up, I am tired. You don't care, you don't love me. What
This
is this?
this used to happen with me earlier, but now thankfully I am on my right track. Now I know how to communicate, and sometimes I use that kind of communication to trigger him and do my work also. So,
So,
yeah.
empowerment is power. It depends on how you use it.
True, true. Great, great. So this has been an amazing time. I think we are almost almost 40 minutes into the call and I don't even realize that. Great. So
And
guys,
I'm feeling, yeah, go ahead.
no, please. I was just asking for questions and people need to be interactive. Come on, we need to talk with all of them who are present on call.
So
Do you guys
I'll
have
tell
any
you,
question?
I'll
Please
tell you
go
one
ahead.
thing, yeah. So, I'll tell you, when it comes to women, they don't want to be out in the open asking their difficulties. One. So, I would suggest that me and Ruchi are available on Facebook and Instagram. You can send a
Instagram.
message in the messenger. My email ID is gemini.dhar@gmail.com or number 9 ways to empower at gmail.com. We both are there on Instagram. I am Dhar Gemini. What's your handle, Ruchi?
My handle is at Ruchi07.
At Ruchi
At the
Zeros,
rate
James Bond.
Ruchi7. Yeah.
So, so we both are available if you have anything personal.
Yes.
Ruchi, unfortunately, I've heard such horrible stories about women going through difficulties. I know a corporate lawyer, her husband is abusive to the fact that he hit a 8-year-old child. The head got split. There were 8 stitches. Her salary is 1,60,000 a month. She's still worried. Should I leave him or no? How will I manage? I don't have enough money. So it is not how much you have in your bank balance, it is how much you value yourself and your child's mental health. And you can patch up a relationship, you can revive a relationship, get somebody on board, get a professional on board, and that person will show you effective tools which will not waste your time, energy, trial and error, and that can be really powerful. So I'd like to end from my side saying that connect with us, stay connected, be in touch with a guide, coach or a mentor. Lot of family and friends will give you advice, but not all advices are advices. Some can be destructive, so you have to be very very
Yes.
careful
Yes.
who you go to, whom you confide in. Your
Yes.
friends are good for comfort, but they may not give you
But
the
not
best
good.
advice.
And especially in your lows and in your weak moments, you need, when you are vulnerable, you need to have that filter always in your mind, that whom are you approaching and what kind of feedback taking in. That's so true. That's so true. And Gemini, we have got so many compliments. I think my all entire and Gemini is a real gem. Some people are lucky to get her advice on time. Prisha says, very well explained. Thank you, Prisha Arya, so much. Piyush did the feast and he is showing the strength. So even men are supporting this explanation. Lovely explanation. Very nice example of hand. Very much impressed. Good job. Very true. Very true. Very true. Thank you so much, guys. We are here for you only. So yes, we want to empower you in all the possible manner. So yes, a lot of compliments you have been receiving, but I
Thank
can't see
you.
any questions because I are
So,
getting the answers they want or they are looking for.
so Ruchi, for all the men who logged in, I want to say that strong men are always supporting women. So it's just one person in my life who was very good with me for 12 and work out, and I take full responsibility. I take full responsibility. Whatever he did was his choice. Whatever I did let him do to me was my choice. But I believe that men are really really required in your life. The men that I would
Yes.
like to respect, my brother Bhavyan Shah, he stood by me when nobody believed me. That boy, he's my Rakhi brother, Bhavyan Shah, Jai Kabir. These are the men in my life who I inspire from, who strong. So when I was feeling really low in my life, my Didi, when you do the first sketch in your college, did you know you will do a turnover of 130 crores? I said I didn't even have a wild dream, that I would. I didn't even dream that big. I said I was just wanting to be in the stars and moons. And he said, similarly, when you start your journey as a coach 6 years back, lives you're going to impact. So go for real youth support to individuals. So it's just don't define your relationship by one person.
Very true.
Out of the
Very true.
1,000 people in my life, my husband was one. So he was 10% of my life, which I let him impact 90% of my life.
And that is also what is happening with women, because I was talking to my clients that other day, and my client, the female client, was telling me that. उसको समझना चाहिए ना, वो मेरे लिए चाय नहीं बनाता, उसको समझना चाहिए ना, ही शुड सरप्राइज मी, उसको समझना चाहिए ना दैट ही शुड अंडरस्टैंड मी विदाउट इवन टेलिंग, ही इज नॉट अ फेस रीडर. Come on, you cannot expect one man to be a Shah Rukh Khan also, to be a Sunny Deol also, to be Ambani also, and to be everything. He's not a magician. He's as human as you are, and he will obviously not understand things if you do not communicate. Do you understand these things without his communication? अब वो बोलते मैंने आज नोटिस किया, तो मैं भिंडी खानी है इसलिए मैंने भिंडी बनाई. वो बेचारा मन में सोच रहा होगा, भाई मुझे कुछ भी नहीं खाना था, तुमने कहाँ से भिंडी बना ली. एंड आउट द फियर accepted that हाँ मुझे भिंडी ही खानी थी, and she will feel proud about that, expect that thing from him without even saying. So girls, you have to know that you cannot burden your man with every possible thing. Have your space for friends, have your space for yourself, have your space, create an environment in a way that your husband and you are interdependent and not independent also completely. And I would not suggest independent. If you want to be independent, why did you even marry? So do not depend on your husband for everything in the world. Love, pamper, care, protection, understanding, attention. There is a lot of list for a man to cover up, and pity that guy. He's doing much for you. Respect him, show gratitude to him, and kind of know that he is doing a lot for you, girls. So I think a lot of the lot of people who are there on our video call is are women. So today, women, you need to do one thing after our call ends. Go and hug your husband and tell them thank you for being there for you and doing so much for you, and say I love you in a very nice manner. I love you, तुम्हें पता है ना, not that manner.
And
Okay,
all
so
those
I have
people,
one more compliment for you. You have changed my perception to look at relationship entirely, and also and
lovely.
also the perception of taking a professional help. This is great. I think we are kind of empowering people over here. I've got Rita Shah, Vidya, Kavita, Janki, Neeru, Prisha Harya, Meena, Dipti, Vidya, everyone telling us that we guys are great. So thank you so much for encouraging us to even come more live and empower you guys. Please,
So,
Gemini, go ahead.
so I'm going to say कि for all the single women out there or women who are unfortunately going through a difficult time with your husbands, I want that a relationship is a two-way. It's a two-way thing. But first, you need to look within yourself and see what is it that I am doing wrong that I'm getting this response. So I work on Take Charge 5x formula, which says A plus B is equal to AB. It can't be AC. So
Right.
there is A with B. So you are doing something, you are applying something for which you are getting a result. Now, if your
Right.
formula is wrong, if you are doing something wrong, first responsibility, change it. Give the other person an opportunity to take it up, have communication, help a professional help you. I'm not talking of counselors, I'm talking of coaches because coaches are progressive. I'm not saying counselors are bad. Good, but they tend to make you focus on your problem. And
Yes.
coaches, and then solve it. And coaches are there to just take you from here to there, and they will give you a plan to go to. That's what we take people from here to there in a fixed amount of time with guaranteed results, and that is why
Yes.
I am very much in for coaches. So when people make faces of life coach, relationship coach, this coach, that coach, I just smile at them and I feel they're very unfortunate because they don't know बंदर क्या जाने अदरक का स्वाद. So I always laugh and I say इनको इसको पता ही नहीं है value. They haven't experienced the magic and the quality
Yes.
of what your
Yes.
life can be. And all those who are ignoring relationships are
Yes.
going to be sooner or later in a very, very difficult situation. So today is the time to change. Today is the time to take charge, and today is the time to take responsibility that I can change my life. I can do anything I want,
True.
and I can be the torchbearer of my own life. That's all,
Right. And
Ruchi.
even Gemini, so even in my system, I always tell my clients that, see, do not blame yourself for the misery because no one teaches you to be a husband or a wife. Everybody is busy planning their wedding, but nobody plans their marriage, which is the entire chunk of your life. So if you make mistakes in the first 5 years of the marriage, it's completely fine. No one have ever taught us a husband, and that is exactly what we do. Everybody knows a statement, but nobody knows the how, and that how to do a particular thing or how to achieve a particular outcome is exactly what I do, and I guarantee in my system how to be financially stable, rich. A lot of things are there, but that's for another day. Maybe that is the entire topic for another day. So right now, do you have any other questions, or we true formula? Gemini, you are a rock star. You are a rock star. So Maria, Ruchi, and Gemini. Piyush Amlani says we should express and communicate. So yes, I think men. Or do you want to say anything about men communicating in relationships?
I think they need double PhD in communication because when men are angry, they will turn their backs and sleep. When they are angry, they will move out of the house. They will run away from the responsibilities, not because they want to, but they don't know how to sort it. So
How to sort it?
women sometimes become so aggressive that they don't give opportunity for men, and sometimes men become so laid back कि अरे मैं घर का राजा हूँ. So you are Raja, then she is Rani. You have to give her more importance. So that is again a lot of ego and the way you are brought up. So I say every man is loud. So I taught my son cooking at the age of I think 10 years, and he knows everything in the house, and equally even if I'm feeling good, I will sit down and I say, can I have a paratha and chai from your hand? Can I have a breakfast? So I make it mandatory to upbring my children to fend for themselves, not to serve
Hmm.
me or some other body, but at least themselves. So a lot of
Hmm.
men do not communicate at all, and instead of communicating and repairing their relationship, they go out,
Right,
and that
right,
is a
right.
even bigger blunder that they make. So consciously or unconsciously अपने पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मारते हैं. So men really need to do a
Right.
PhD in communication. I think that's very powerful for them.
So my first student will be Jeet Hirani.
You know what? घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर. You proved that. Jeet is such an amazing husband. He's such an
He
amazing
is
human being.
awesome. I know, man. I mean, whatever I am today, I have just been here because of his support, Gemini, and you know our story. And I will never ever deny that. But yes, I can understand him because we are bonded like that. But if a third
True.
person comes into the picture, he will not be understood equally well. So I think this man is a gem of the person. He has so many ideas. He's fucking amazing. But if he gets that key of communication, oh my god, you don't know where this guy will reach. And I always feel that.
Ruchi, send him to me.
True, that's true. So yes, we
So
got a few couple of men joining it, but I'm so sorry, guys. We are about to end our call. Prisha says that everyone should just stop giving advices. Also, we should stop taking them from wrong people. Very true, Prisha. People advise, those who advise are those who are not able to do the advice because they advise only because they are incomplete and they are not able to fulfill that need, and they want others to fulfill that need which they
also
are lacking in themselves.
also each combination is different.
Yes,
Each combination of man and woman is different. So if your
different.
jija and sister are doing really good in their married life, it is because your sister has a characteristics, your jiju has a
Yes,
characteristics, and they are
yes.
bonded because of that. So now that you have a very different kind of a husband and you are a different personality, like me and my sisters are poles apart. She's a superb homemaker. My brother-in-law is the best man on earth I've ever seen, and touch wood, I would really love to give them as an example that my brother-in-law and my sister have been my role models in everything, any of the parameters, but I still admire them. But I'm a different human being, my husband is a different. So if I apply that strategy here, you can't make a rasgulla out of a gulab jamun recipe. So as simple as that. So
True,
every
true.
person has their unique, and a coach is empowered and taught and learned how to handle different kinds of mindset and people, and he will give you the right combination. I think it's good to go to a doctor and get a prescription rather than going to a chemist and just picking up something. I think that's the
Very true.
difference.
That's the difference. Very true, very true. Hi, Akshay. Hi, how are you? Fazila Haseen says, great session, and I can't read. Color is coming, but yes, great session. We are getting so many hearts, and I'm so happy to see you guys active in this session. This is giving us that empowerment charge कि और बोलो और कुछ बताओ और कुछ बोलो, that kind of feeling. We are getting so many hearts, and guys, I'm really thankful to you all for being a part of our communication. Is there anything else you want to know? Asha Nair, hello, how are you guys doing? So we might end our session, but if there is anything you
Yes.
want, Gemini have already told you we are on Instagram. Both our handles, should I repeat it? I'm at Ruchi07. You are at
Dhar Gemini, Dhar dot Gemini. Dhar
Gemini.
dot Gemini.
And then we are on Facebook. You can always send a messenger message, or we can also accept your emails. We are very professional, by the way, so we can also accept emails. So guys, drop in a message. There's always a good time to talk and good time to get your relationship sorted, or know when you should end it. So here we come to an end. Gemini, is there anything you want to add? Did we miss anything? I think almost my list of questions are covered. Most of us, that is, you have addressed
So,
already.
so let's sum up this full conversation or an interview or an interaction is communication is really important. When you value yourself,
Yes.
you will. And
I'll just minute. Guys, what Gemini is doing is kind of giving you an overview of the entire conversation we had in last 40 minutes. So this is your chance to recall everything and remind yourself about whatever we spoke. So if you want, you can pull up a pen, you can pull up a paper and go and write. Okay, Gemini, shoot.
so one is communication. Second is when you believe and you have self-worth, you will not take abuse or shit. Relationship takes two people. Most of the time you are responsible for what reaction you are getting, so apply the right formula, get professional advice, and if you have a bad relationship you need to work on it today, because tomorrow it can destroy your personal and professional life. So it's really
Right.
important that you love your house, you nurture it, you decorate it, but when it is on fire, either you dose the fire, or if it is not possible, then you run out of it and save your life. So these are some
Right.
basic things, and you are strong. This is a hand which can do nothing, and this is a hand which can really protect you.
I
So every
I
woman, every man is strong. Don't take abuse in any relationship.
Yes, I think this is what every woman and every man on this call will remember. And I think whenever they are having a difficult time, all you need to just do this and then this, and the power within you will be unleashed. And you guys will be unstoppable just like us. We are no different than you guys. You have heard my story, you have heard Gemini's stories, exactly what we were like you before. But it's just got in alignment and we have a mission because of a man, and because we are so much empowered, we are kind of transferring it to you, and we want to kind of make a change and impact people's life, as many souls as we can touch. It's like it's infectious, the kind of today liberation we feel. We want everyone on the planet to feel the same. Am I? And do I extend? I just have a okay. I now realize we have a lot of guys, Gemini. We should have also picked up guys on talking. I see right now we have a lot of guys coming in.
So I
So
think
yes,
it doesn't matter whether you're a man or a woman. A relationship is among two people, and a relationship can destroy a man himself, because you see all those people who are drinking, who are smoking, who get into late night parties, who don't want to come home, who are spending hours and hours outside the house, are going through a difficult time. Don't you think everybody wants to come home to a peaceful, happy family? But when something
yes.
is missing, whether in yourself or in something in your relationship or in life, then you tend to go for the negative. So my mentor calls it crazy eight. You get into this vicious cycle of feeling bad, partying, then again feeling down, it makes you
PUBG,
feel good. So,
PUBG.
so
I
all these things have got a very huge impact on your life. I know people who play PUBG till 4 a.m. in the morning. What do you much would they will be able to give time to their work next day? Right. So there are a lot of things that men go through also. And of course, I don't specialize in helping men, but I have a lot of friends who are males who've gone through divorces, who've gone through difficulty, who are stuck in business, or some people who are doing really good and they want to do more. So I am a consultant and a business strategist for many organizations where there are men also. So it's not about men or women, but yes, I have compassion, and I have gone through a journey from where I can specialize and help women. So specifically I would want to help women entrepreneurs, but there are a lot of men I'm already working with. Yeah.
Wow, that's
So I think that
amazing to
should
know.
be
And even I am working with couples because I don't want to, ताली मेरे हिसाब से हमेशा दो हाथ से बजती है. So I don't want to only empower women and leave the man aside because they are also struggling. Men are expected to have the peace and harmony in the house. They are supposed to earn. They are supposed to fulfill all the needs, be a protector, be a provider. I think men equally, I think sometimes men need more help and support from the coaches because they do not open up. They are emotionally pent up and they have so much in them to speak about, and there's nobody to hear because they feel that the right person is not available for them to hear, and they don't feel empathized. So I think men and women both should equally get empowered in the relationship. Then only you will have a smooth journey. आप एक टायर सुधार लो और एक टायर पंक्चर रहेगा तो वो एनीवेज कोई भी एंगल लो वो ड्रैग ही होने वाला है. So if both the
true.
tires are replaced, it will work and it will run in the actual speed that you want it to run at, and then you can achieve
100%.
anything in your life. You can like work on it and achieve any dreams you want to. So here's I think we are coming to end. I'm so feeling sad about ending this. And they saw the first. I'm sorry, Fazila, but what do you mean and they saw the first? Sorry, didn't get you there. Can you just please repeat if possible? Hello, Saran. Hello, Fazila, Masira, Pooja. There are so many new people walking in. But sorry, guys, we're about to end the live. Maybe next time. Okay. Do you guys want to see us again? Let's do this. If yes, put a lot of thumbs up. Put a lot of thumbs up. Show hearts.
I'm
Show
going to show.
eagerness. If you
I would want to see you again.
so you are hitting so many likes. Put up likes. Come on, guys. Let me see few thumbs up coming on. Do you want me to bring Gemini again to this call where we can talk more about how to empower your life and finances? Yes, I can see a lot of hearts and thumbs up. Amazing, guys. Thank you for being such a sport. Thank you so much. See the number of hearts and the thumbs up that
Nice,
are raising.
nice. Good.
Thank you guys so much. So bye bye. Have a good night, Gemini, and all you other lovely people out there. Have a great Saturday evening night, and do what I told you to do. Go to your husband, hug him, and say thank you for being there, and tell him that I love you. I love you a lot, and let that magic be there for the moment.
And if you're a single person, go hug yourself, go hug your family members and your children and your sister or your brother and feel great about yourself. Share this life, do a watch party and spread the news because Ruchi has got something amazing and her couple clarity wheel is just fabulous. And I never have seen somebody work so deeply on relationships that she has worked on. And I'm so happy that there are
Thank you.
people like
Thank you
her
so
to
much.
save relationships and it's a blessing to have people like Ruchi in our life. Thank
Thank
you,
you
Ruchi, for
so
having
much.
me. Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. They are so kind words. I'm blushing right now, by the way.
See,
Thank you, Gemini.
see, I
and
told you
Fazli,
compliments are. See, I told you compliments are hard to take.
no, I totally accept it, but I am blushing because I got it from you in front of so many people. So I feel obliged and I feel thanked about it. So Fazila
Super.
is trying to tell us something, but I'm not able to catch her
Can
because
you read
her
it?
statements are, they might get scared. That's it. That's
Okay,
it.
so men might get scared that women will be empowered. That could be one of the things that she said. So, Fazila, when you will become strong, you it is not about overbearing somebody or becoming very loud and talkative and oppressive. It's about being that support. Men will love you if you are empowered because they know that there is somebody to support them, there is somebody to understand them, there is somebody who will stand by them when they need. So even men need a shoulder, and you have to
Yes.
be that force. It could be a vocal force or it could be a silent force. So men who are strong will not feel insecure. Men who are weak will be scared
Yes.
and will try to overpower you. So there are
Yes,
all types
and
of men.
those men, those who don't feel emotionally complete, only those men go out and do infidelity, get into infidelity. I always tell my clients that a relationship, a extramarital relationship, will never begin with physicality. It will begin with your emotional disbalance. So if you emotionally, then expect something bad to happen with you. Otherwise, you guys are sorted. So yes, Gemini, a very true point. A man needs shoulder too. So be there for your man, and things will be pretty sorted. So I think my little one is here. Do you want to see her?
Hello.
See, this what a good husband does, takes care of the little one so that a wife can be live and empower other women.
So I think
Great,
we
great.
should
So
say bye to the audience
yes,
now. Yes.
yes,
Thank you
yes. Bye
everybody
bye,
for
guys. Bye
watching.
bye.
Bye.
Thank you, guys. Good night. See ya. Bye bye. Bye, Gemini. Nice having you, man.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.